G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The southeasterly wind surge marking the end of the heatwave has now reached North Queensland, bringing a nice drop of late wet season rain. For the whole state, it should be a pleasant week ahead. Bundaberg's temperature range today was 19 to 28 degrees, which is about average for March, or slightly below, but feels kind of cool compared to last week. Hervey Bay was also very agreeable on 28. I'll take you to the satellite loop first up. Now you can see pretty plainly that most of the rain is over far North Queensland, where hundreds of millimetres have fallen in the past 24 hours and more to come in the next 24 hours before things settle down. As you go south, Townsville had a good drop of rain as well, around 50 odd mils around the suburbs. But as you go south, it gets less and less until you just get a few millimetres. Also a few storms out west there that have been causing a few little problems out there. On today's chart now, we have two high pressure systems, a weak one right down in the Tasman Sea and another one coming across the Bight. They're producing a firm ridge of southeasterlies along the east coast. On tomorrow's chart, those highs merge into a single system, strong enough for a strong wind warning to continue through tropical waters and quite reasonable temperatures throughout the state. One more day of heavy rain in the far north. Latest now from the Weather Bureau. Boating for Hervey Bay waters, southeasterly winds 15 to 20 knots all day tomorrow, then dropping to 10 to 15 knots from the south-southeast on Wednesday and Thursday. Gari offshore waters, southeasterlies again up to 20 knots, this time on a 2-metre swell. Wednesday's winds 15 to 20 knots, Thursday easing to 10 to 15. First up tomorrow morning, we've got high tide, followed by a lunchtime low tide, and then a second high tide around dusk. The tidal swings growing quickly. The White Bay Burnett District, just a 30% chance of showers only around the coastal fringe. Bundaberg, 29 degrees. Gayndah also 29, Hervey Bay 28, Maryborough again 29. Looking ahead for Bundy, a cooler week to look forward to, with fresh southeast winds bringing broken cloud from time to time, but very little rainfall. On the weekend, it'll start warming up again. A few more tips on how to forecast weather by watching farm animals. Horses normally sleep standing, but if you catch one lying down for a rest, it's often said to foretell wet weather. Many farmers claim that free-ranging pigs can be seen carrying straw into their shelters before an outbreak of rain. Unusually low fertility rates in cattle are apparently noticed before the onset of a long drought. And all the way from Spain, a donkey nodding and swaying its head is a sure sign that something's about to change. Thanks, June, for the artwork and Glenn de John for the info. Now it's back to the team.
Wonderful, mate. Thank you very much. Lovely having your company, folks. Anything you missed, you can catch up on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. And we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.